How to fix unable to link your Google Play to your eFootball. So if you are seeing this error message here which says unable to link to Google Play, then you need to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to show you simply how to solve this problem. So right here is my eFootball app, and I'm trying to link my Google Play to my eFootball app, and I'm seeing this error message. So in order for you to fix this error message on your eFootball app, this is what you simply need to do. But first, you need to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and like this video. So the first step you need to take here is to go ahead and go to your Play Store or App Store, depending on your device like this, and search for Play Games. Go ahead and search for Play Games like this. So once you do that, this is the app. You need to go ahead and install this app on your device. If you already have it on your device, yet you are seeing that error message, it actually means that maybe you have not logged in the Gmail that you want to link to your eFootball into the app. So in order for you to do that, you need to go to your phone settings like this. Scroll right here on your phone settings and go to app or app manager and search for the app. Search for Play Games. So once you search for the app like this, go ahead and click on the app. Then go ahead and scroll, click on storage like this, and click on clear cache, and also click on clear data. Delete the app data and the app cache if you already have it on your device, yet you are seeing that error message. So the next step you need to take here is to go to the Google Play Games app. Go to the app like this and go to your Play Store and click on open. You're not to open the app. So you need to go ahead and select the Gmail that you want to use for your eFootball, or the Gmail that you have been using for your eFootball before. Go ahead and click on continue like this. So once this is done, go ahead and click on allow in order to allow notification from the app. Now the next step you need to take is to go ahead and remove your eFootball from your background. So let's remove the eFootball from the background and go back to our eFootball app. So right here on your eFootball app, go ahead and click on extras like this. Then go ahead and click on support. Then click on link data. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on link using Google Play. If you are still seeing that error message, looking there, the error message now is unable to link to Google Play. Make sure to log into your Google Play account before attempting to link it. So go ahead and click on OK. And I'm going to go back to my Play Games app and click on OK like this. So I'm going to switch it to a different Gmail account. So maybe the eFootball has not actually recognized yet that I've linked my account to my Google Play. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next like this and create an account. Looking here, you can see set up game profile. Go ahead and click on next like this and click on create. So now I've been able to create an account with my Google Play Games with this new Gmail account. So you just need to go back to the eFootball, clicking on extras like this and clicking on support and click on link data. Looking here, you can see link using Google Play. You can see that it is not yet linked. So we need to go ahead and click on it. So you can now see that the Google Play here is linked. So in order for you to confirm more further if it is already linked to your eFootball, you can as well go to your Google Play. Since you linked it to your Google Play, you can just simply go to your Google Play like this. Go to the Google Play Games. So right here on your Google Play Games, this is the home page. You just need to go ahead and click on your profile at the bottom of your screen. Then go ahead and click on the three-line icon at the top right corner. Once you do that, go ahead and click on settings like this. Now looking here, you can see your data. Looking here, you can see where it says delete Play Games accounts and data. So you can go ahead and click on that. If you are not seeing eFootball here, it actually means that it is not yet linked. So since you are seeing it here and it is also showing you on your eFootball that it is linked, it actually means that you've been able to link your Google Play to your eFootball app. So this is how simple it is for you to fix unable to link your eFootball to your Google Play app. Hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this. It has always been Daniel. See you in the next one.